go. Take one. Corey, take one.
Sandra.
Jackie.
For us, being for homeschooling, we like to say, though, customized schooling or independent learning women, we find this a way to be an activist in this world and send messages that women can do anything we want to at any time in our lives. And a large part of it for me is to be a role model for my two daughters. When we come together to have band practice and to write music, women empowerment is our real motive.
It's very empowering. I can't believe I'm here.
There's no I'm sorry's, there's no I fucked up, there's no okay, that was wrong, let's do it over, right? Right?
We're all original. We struggle through it in the early years, and we pulled it together, and we now have a 45-minute set and 5 solid songs, all originals, all activist oriented.
I think what we discovered along the way is that we have something to say. We have something really unique to say. We're homeschooling moms, we're strong women, we're creative, we're fun, we're powerful, and we think we're doing something that other people aren't doing.